Job of the day. Another coupler job. They all come in spurts. And this one's like feels like my 5th coupler job I've done in the past 2 weeks. I'm putting my jack stand in. Good. There's the reason why we're changing it out. I don't know if you can see it. I think I'm close enough. Now let's get this thing cut off. Right here at the edge. Front piece off. It is not welded there. Is it welded up underneath? Not welded up underneath. Cool. Start cutting. Let's get it. Oh, that was easy. First section is off. Taking that section off right now. And there we go. Start grinding, put the new one on, and weld it out. Now we got coupler off. I'm just cleaning up the bottom. Looks like the manufacturer that put the trailer together didn't even weld underneath, paint underneath. So I'm just gonna clean this up. Really just some surface rust. Clean it, shoot it black, and then weld over the top. Good, let's check test. Test fit. Needs to go back a little bit more, but I can just cut the this side. There, works perfect. Clamp that bad boy and weld it. I'm gonna clean up the paint, or clean the paint off of the coupler, and then I can get a better weld. Cleaned up, just gonna mark where I need to grind a little bit further back. And paint is off, and paint is off. Good, let that dry a little bit, and then weld her out. Let's clean up the coupler. Cleaning up the edges. I'm gonna weld underneath as well. Marking that out. Good, good, good. Clamp and tack. Clamped up, let's tack it, and then weld it out. Coupler's welded out. Just gonna clean up the welds, a little wire wheel. Good, let that cool down, we'll paint it up. I'm gonna do service on his bearings and check all his lights. Got it taped off, just painting it up. Good, good, and good. Perfect, let it dry, let's do bearings. Taking passenger side off. Bolts look good, shackle lengths look good. Cool, let's do bearings. Bolts look good, bottom axle looks good, frame looks good. Passenger side off. Driver side coming off now. Shackle lengths are good, bolts are good. Let's change this hub. Washer's off. Let's go pack this hub. All right, driver side hub's going on. Washer is on. Spindle on that is going on. Spindle on that tight. Back off a little, good. Come on, good. Spindle on that holder is on. Dust cap is on. Passenger side. Passenger side on. Washer. Spindle on that. Good, tight, free spinning. Spindle on that is going on. Spindle on that is on. Dust cap. Dust cap is on. Dust cap clean. Oh, I got a cut on my finger and it hurts so bad. I can grab a rag and clean the rest of that up. Tires and wheels going on. Oh, didn't get a rag, my goodness. I got lights plugged in, see what we got blinking. Hey, cool. Lights work, lights work. Might just be a plug on that one. Rear is good. Rear is good. Okay, let's see if that's just a plug on that one. Left turn. Left turn is good. Right turn is good. Back to markers. Outside's good. Front's good. Let's see if it's just plugs that are out. And it was just the plug. Plug back in. Hopefully I can get it back in. Good. Let's check the other one. And the plug was out. I don't think this one's gonna work. Yeah. Needs a new plug in, but I don't have one. Okay, I'll just put this light back. Make a note of that. But the other important ones are working. This plug is out as well. And plug it in. Back to working. Crackers. I hate when that happens. Come on, please. Okay, grommet going back in. Good. Please just go in. Good. Lights work. One doesn't, but it needs a new plug, and I don't have one on my truck, but everything's good. Let's just paint it over, no problem. Light still works. Marker's good, just one light. And torque lug nuts. Driver side first. Driver side done. Passenger side. Passenger side good. This trailer's done. New coupler. Everything's welded, painted. New bearings, new seals, new grease on the axle. All lug nuts are torqued. All lights work except for one. Just needs a clip and a new plug. I don't have one on my truck, but that one's really not that important, just one. But everything else works. Left turn, right turn, brakes work. Safety check trailer. All shackle links are good. Hangers are good. U-bolts are good. Everything's good to go on this. This is done. I'm on the next.